Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing the review of the AliPearl hair for you guys. It comes with this cute packaging with an instruction of how to take care of your hair at the back of the packaging, and it also comes with loads of goodies. It comes with a colorful head scarf, and it also comes with an hair tie with AliPearl hair on it. It also comes with an eyelashes, and it also comes with an instruction of how to take good care of your hair and an elastic band as well. That's really amazing. I love that, right? You got loads of goodies, and it also comes with the hair as well. So yeah, moving on, I actually did an initial review of this hair the first time I wore the hair, but I've been rocking the hair since then, and I thought it'd be nice for me to share my thoughts about the hair with you guys. But first, I'm going to show you guys how I install the hair. Please bear in mind this hair does not need any glue or gel whatsoever for the installation, but I just decided to go for it because if you guys have already been following me for a while, you understand the fact that I normally use glue to install my hair, so that I'll be able to give you guys an in-depth review or wear the hair for a while, so I'll be able to give you guys more tea about the hair. So apart from that, you can just cut off the excess lace and just put the hair on your head and you're good to go. Anyway, in regards to the construction of the cap, look at that guys, amazing, flawless. Look at that, look at that. The hair is really full to the brim, and it comes with baby hair at the front of it. I also like the construction of the cap as well. It comes with three pin, yeah. It comes with three pins, and it also comes with elastic strap as well. The construction of the cap is really nice, and is very breathable, so that for me it's a no-brainer. So yeah, you don't have to use any glue, any gel to install the hair. You can tell it has three clips, two at the front and one at the back. An amazing thing about the hair is the fact that you can also part it anywhere you like. Look at that, the parts look so natural. It felt like my real scalp. I really love that about the hair. And also the lace of the hair is so soft, and very transparent. I like that as well. So as you guys already know me with my glue, I went in with Darella Cosmetics glue, which I used to install the hair, so I'll be able to wear it for a while and be able to give you guys an in-depth review as I am doing now, because as I speak with you guys now, guys, I have been wearing this hair, rocking it back and forth, and there's been no shedding, there's been no tangling, there's been no nasty smell whatsoever. The hair is so soft still, despite the fact that I've been wearing the hair for a while. The hair still felt as if I just took it out of the box. So yeah, I am still loving it so far. Where is the lace, sis? Please show me the lace. Show me the lace. The lace melted effortlessly on my head. I really love the lace of the hair. So in terms of the quality of the hair, guys, A plus. In terms of the lace, A plus. You can barely tell it's a closure wig. It actually looked like a lace frontal wig. Guys, this is amazing. And as you guys can tell, even before coiling the hair, the natural coils that came with the hair is enough for you to rock it straight from the box. But I decided just to throw in some coils to show you guys how amazing the hair coils. The hair coils really well. I love it. I mean, look at that, guys. It took to coils really well, and it held the coils really well as well, because the coils lasted for like 5-6 days before I decided to change the style again. As you already know, you can straighten the hair, you can coil it, you can do whatsoever you like, just like your own natural hair, and people can barely tell if it was my hair or not. So it's a no-brainer. I really love it. Check out AliPearl. They have all types of hair in case you want a straight hair or kinky hair whatsoever. So yeah, in terms of the quality, I'll definitely recommend to check them out. And in terms of the price wise, feel free to check them out, because they're always offering sales every now and then. And as I said, if you really want to go for this hair, I would recommend you go for it, because when it comes to the quality of the hair, I really recommend it. Like, highly recommend it. Look at that, the curls are pumping. Look at that, very silky, no no tangling, no shedding whatsoever. I mean, it's just an amazing hair with great value for money. Like, you're gonna definitely, you know, wear it for a very, very long while. I am loving it so far. Look at that. Look at that. I'm still enjoying my hair anyway. I'm wearing it as I speak right now because I love it. So yeah, look at that. They're very generous with their length as well. So that's another A plus for me. So stay tuned for my review. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about the review of this gorgeous hair I'm wearing right here. The hair is from AliPearl hair. You guys already know I really love their hair because I've worked with them before. You guys already know that I'm a huge fan of their hair. I've worked with them before and I like the quality of their hair. I'm a real huge fan with before, so I thought it'd be nice for me to share my thoughts about the hair with you guys. As you guys can already tell, the quality of the hair is just amazing. Guys, look at that. It has this gorgeous sheen to it and it's very soft to feel, soft to touch. I am loving it so far. And as you guys already can tell, you can pat the hair anywhere you like, anyhow you like, you know, within the 5x5 lace closures. You know, you've got the option to go for center part, half parts, middle parts, any part you choose or you decide to go. So it depends on you and the look you're going for. You can decide to use the baby hair. The hair has baby hair around the perimeters of it, but I decided to skip baby hair for today's look. So I am quite impressed with how easy it is for me to install this hair. You don't have to stress yourself or worry yourself about anything. It took me just 2 minutes to install this hair, and bear in mind you don't have to apply glue like I did. All you need to do is just cut the lace and you're good to go, because the hair has elastic strap inside it, and it also has a comb inside the cap as well to secure your hair. The wig would be snatched without a glue or without any gel whatsoever. I also like the fact that the hair comes with loads and loads of goodies, everything you need to install this hair without having to reach out for anything else. So I'm quite loving it so far. And in terms of the quality of the hair, oh my days, look at how soft it is, guys. Look at that. Very soft, very bouncy, and there is no shedding or tangling whatsoever. Throughout the styling of this hair, I didn't experience any tangling or shedding whatsoever. The quality of the hair is top notch because the hair actually, you know, feels so soft, and the curls are really bouncy. And as I said earlier, depending on you, depending on the look you're going for, you can decide to, you know, straighten this hair, curl this hair, and style it however you decide to, however you like. Another thing I really like about this hair is the lace. The lace is very lightweight, so it melted into my skin effortlessly. So that for me is a thumbs up. I really like that as well. And in terms of their shipping, they took about 3 days to get here in the UK. In terms of their shipping, it took 3 days to get here in the UK. So if you have an event or an occasion, be assured that you're gonna get your hair in 3 days, depending on where you are based. But I'm based in the UK, so it took exactly 3 days to get here. So in terms of their shipping, I would definitely give them a thumbs up as well. In terms of the quality of the hair, I will definitely give them an A plus, because the hair is so soft. Guys, look at that. Very soft and very easy to style. As you saw the install, it was so easy. All I did was just apply the glue on my forehead and then place the lace on it, cut the excess lace, and bam, that was it. That was actually it. There was no need to struggle, to stress, or do anything whatsoever. The installation is absolutely quick and stress-free. Yeah, very quick, stress-free. The installation was very quick, very easy, and, you know, stress-free. So that about this hair, I really like a lot. And another thing I like about this hair is the length, guys. The length is actually 22 inches, but it went straight down to my bum. I'm actually 5.5 and the hair is as long as, you know, my bum. So I really like the fact that they're very generous with their length as well. And as you can tell, the hair is really full, no shedding at all, no shedding, no tangling, nothing of such. So would I recommend this hair? Absolutely. I'll definitely recommend you guys check them out. If you don't know AliPearl hair are one of the amazing hair brand on AliExpress and Express that I ever known. Like seriously, if you guys don't know AliPearl hair, AliPearl hair is one of the amazing hair brand on AliExpress, and they actually have all types of hair on their website. They have curly hair, they have, you know, kinky hair, they have all types of hair on their website, and they also have full lace wig, 360 lace frontal wig. Just name the hair you want, and they also do wholesales as well. So if you're looking for great quality hair, I'll definitely recommend you check out their website. And yeah, that's it for me so far. I always use glue to install my lace wig so that I can wear the hair for a while, so I'll be able to give you guys an in-depth review. So I'll give you more details about this hair on my voiceover, so you guys can, you know what's up about the hair. Really able to give you guys any details. If there's any shedding, tangling whatsoever, I'll let you guys know my voiceover. So yeah, so feel free to check out their website. Let me know what you guys think. So that's my thoughts about this hair so far. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.